Hello student, now today we'll see higher order derivatives. Okay, now here obviously one first order derivative we have learnt already. Okay, that is y1, right? y1 y1 when what? When let y is equal to f of x be a function. Okay, when y is equal to f of x be a function, then y1 is the first derivative. Okay, y1 or written as dy upon dx, right? Otherwise f dash of x, y1 or dy upon dx or f dash of x, we called first order derivative. Okay, next y2 means what? Second derivative. Second derivative means differentiating this also with respect to x again. So d upon dx and dy upon dx means what? D square y upon dx square, right? D square y upon dx square, that is second derivative, which is equal to f double dash of x. Okay, this is called second order derivative. Second order derivative. Okay, now in the same way y3 is equal to d cube y upon dx cube, which is f triple dash of x, means third order derivative. Okay, now next obviously in the same way, in continuation, y4 is d4y upon dx power 4 is equal to f 4 dash x, that is fourth order derivative. In the same way, nth derivative is yn denoted by yn to the power n y divided by dx power n, which is equal to f n dash of power n of x. This is called nth order derivative. Okay, nth order derivative, nth order derivative. Okay, understood? Higher order derivative, this is yn means first, y1 first derivative, y2 second derivative, y3 third order derivative, and in the same way nth derivative is yn is called nth order derivative. Okay, now we'll start with show that type of questions of second derivative, second order derivative. Okay, here question number 1 is, if y is equal to given by log of log 2x, we have to show that xy2 plus y1 1 plus xy1 is equal to 0. Okay, we have to show that xy2 plus y1 in bracket 1 plus xy1 is equal to 0. This y1 y2 are what? Y1 means what? First derivative and y2 is second order derivative. Okay, means y1 means dy upon dx and y2 is d square y upon dx square. Okay, now is let write given is y is equal to log of log 2x. Okay, now first we'll differentiating first one time. Okay, differentiating this with respect to y. So obviously dy upon dx with respect to x. So what derivative of log 2x is what? Derivative of log x is what? 1 upon x. At the place of x here log 2x. So I am writing here 1 upon x. At the place of x here log 2x. Okay, obviously this is one composite function. So for composite function we have to differentiate again that composite factor, means what, log 2x, log 2x. So we got right what, 1 upon log 2x. What about this log 2x? Derivative of log x is what, 1 upon x, but at the place of here again 2x is there, so derivative of that is 1 upon 2x. Okay, here also this is also composite function. Why composite function? Because at the place of x there is 2x, so we have to differentiate 2x again. When we differentiating 2x again, obviously derivative of 2x is 2 is constant, derivative of x is 1, so we got only 2, right? Now here 2 get cancelled, so we got first derivative, that is dy upon dx, or we called as y1. We got as 1 upon x log 2x, this. Okay, we got y1 is equal to, or dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon x log 2x. Okay, now after this again we have to differentiate this, right? So when we differentiate again, here 1 upon u upon v type of function, then again derivative of this. Okay, this is quite difficult. So now see, after this step I'm writing this x here in the denominator, right? So here in numerator, x dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon log 2x. Understood this step? X I am writing here. So here only 1 upon 2x is remaining. Now we differentiating this with respect to x. Now obviously now here u into v type of function. Okay, in u of into v type of function I am writing first u as it is. Derivative of v means d square y upon dx square plus v as it is, derivative of u, that is derivative of x. Now here this is 1 upon log 2x. So I am what about derivative of 1 upon log 2x? This is a 1 upon x type of function. Okay, so 1 upon x, derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Okay, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 अपॉन एक्स का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है, माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 अपॉन एक्स इज minus 1 upon x square. So for 1 upon log 2x I am writing 1 minus 1 upon log 2x square. But this is composite function because at the place of x there is log 2x. Okay, so again derivative of log 2x. Okay, so again here minus 1 upon log 2x the whole square. Then what about log 2x? Derivative of log 2x obviously 1 upon 2x, and again this is also composite function like this. Okay, so I have to differentiate 2x again. So there we got derivative of 2x is only, so here 2 get cancelled, right? So minus 1 upon log 2x the whole square into x. Okay, this is x d square y upon dx square plus here only dy upon dx, and derivative of x is 1. Okay, next now see, after this minus 1 upon, this is log 2x the whole square, so for that 2x the whole square, so we want here x square. सो मैं डिनोमिनेटर को x से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी तो मुझे न्यूमरेटर में भी करना पड़ेगा. सो x अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेयर. ओके, मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय x. So we got here x upon x square. Okay. So after this means minus 1 upon, okay, here is obviously, sorry, minus x is here, and this is x, means this, and log 2x the whole square, means this x square and log 2x the whole square. So I am writing together x into log 2x the whole square, and this x here, this minus here. Okay. So x d square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx is equal to, we got this. Now see, after this, obviously x d square y upon dx square means what? y2. So x into y2 plus, this means what? y1. Okay, dy upon dx is equal to minus x. I am writing as it is. Okay. What about this then? 1 upon x log 2x. See here, 1 upon x log 2x. This is first derivative, 1 upon x log 2x. This is y1, that is dy upon dx. So this means what? Dy upon dx the whole square. So means what? Okay, means minus x y1 square. Okay. Now this whole term I am writing here x y2 plus y1, here minus is here, so plus x y1 square is equal to 0. Therefore we got here y1 is common, so 1 plus x y1 is equal to 0. That we have to show that. See, x y2 plus y1, 1 plus x y1 is equal to 0. Okay. Okay. Now after this, next question is, question number 2 is, find the nth derivative of the following. Okay, we have to find nth derivative. Now first question is given by y is equal to ax plus b the whole raised to m. Okay, and we have to find out nth derivative of this function. Okay. So we're differentiating first with respect to x, means dy upon dx is equal to what? X plus b the whole raised to m. This is x raised to n type of function. So m x plus b raised m minus power m minus n. Now this is composite function. At the place of x there is x plus b. Now again derivative of x plus b, right? So answer of this is what? Here a is constant and derivative of x is 1, and derivative of b is constant here, so derivative of b is 0. Okay, so obviously only a is the answer of this derivative. A is constant, derivative of x is 1, a into x, a into 1 is 1, a plus derivative of b, that is constant. Next, okay, so derivative of this whole is what? Only a. So obviously answer of this is a m x plus b power m minus 1. This is first derivative. Now we'll proceed further, that is second derivative, again differentiating with respect to x. So d square y upon dx square is equal to, obviously a into m is constant. Now derivative of this is what? Ax plus b power m minus n is m minus 1 x plus b power m minus 1 minus 1, right? And this is also composite function, so derivative of again x plus b. Okay, so m minus 1, so here ax plus b power m minus 2. Now again derivative of this is only a. So a means what here? A square. Already a is there. So a square m minus 1 x plus b power m minus 2. Now obviously third, what about third derivative? So d cube y upon dx cube is what? A square m into m minus 1 is constant here and derivative of this only. So x to the power m minus 2, x to the power n type of function. So x raised to n ka derivative and x raised to n minus 1. So m minus 2 x plus b power m minus 2 minus 1. And again derivative, this is composite function, at the place of x we have here x plus b. So again derivative of x plus b, a square m minus 1 m minus 2, and here obviously x plus b to the power m minus 3. And what about derivative of this is what? Only a. So a cube. ठीक है. Now see a m x plus b power m minus 1. Here see a square m minus 1 x plus b power m minus 2, a cube m minus 1 m minus 2 and x plus b power m minus 3. Now in general we have to write nth derivative. Okay, in general by observing all the derivatives, that is up to फोर्थ या फिफ्थ तक भी आप लोग सॉल्व कर सकते हो. ठीक है, फोर्थ डेरिवेटिव और फिफ्थ डेरिवेटिव. नाउ थर्ड या फोर्थ, that is easy to observing you. Okay, in general nth order derivative will be, nth order derivative क्या होगा? Obviously this we already know, that is dn y upon dx n is there. What about this? What about nth derivative of this? यहाँ पे क्यूब फंक्शन है, तब क्या है? a3 मीन्स पावर मीन्स a to the power n is compulsory, हर एक इसमें है, राइट? नेक्स्ट then what about this m minus 1 m minus 2 m minus 3, ये कहाँ तक है? m minus 2 तक. yes, see when that is cubic function, that is m minus 2 तक है, means one power less here. Understood? So obviously m for this x plus b क्या होगा? m minus n. Why n? Because see power when 3 is there, m minus 3 is there. Okay, so m minus n. Okay, this is clear to you. a to the power n. Understood? n है, यहाँ पे n है तो मैंने यहाँ पे n लिखा है, m minus n. ठीक है. Now see for this m minus 1 m minus 2 and all this means what? ये कहाँ तक आएगा? This means m फैक्टोरियल जो हम लोग करेंगे, सो उसमें से क्या माइनस होना चाहिए? m माइनस n फैक्टोरियल माइनस होना चाहिए. वहां तक ये कंटिन्यूएशन में जाएगा. m फैक्टोरियल मतलब हम लोग फैक्टोरियल मीन्स व्हाट? m माइनस 1 m माइनस 2 अप टू 1 मल्टीप्लीकेशन. उसमें से हमें 1 तक चाहिए क्या? नो, वी हैव टू डिलीट फ्रॉम दैट m माइनस n फैक्टोरियल. ओके, सो m माइनस n फैक्टोरियल उससे कट हो जाएगा. इसके लिए मैंने यहाँ पे m फैक्टोरियल लिखा है, डिवाइड किया है m माइनस n फैक्टोरियल से. ठीक है, दिस इज अवर nth ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. And this is now here are some conditions. यहाँ पे कंडीशन भी हो सकते हैं. कैसे? This when if m is greater than 0 and m is greater than n. मतलब एक तो m 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, m 0 से greater होना चाहिए और m n से भी greater होना चाहिए. When this happens, okay, this is nth order derivative. Now next is if suppose हमारा m greater than 0 और m लेस देन n है, मतलब n बड़ा है m से, देन और आंसर इज 0. हमारा 0 हो जाएगा nth डेरिवेटिव. आंसर इज 0 0 0 आता जाएगा. ठीक है. अरे क्योंकि कांस्टेंट बचेगा उसका ऑर्डर हमारा डेरिवेटिव अपने आप 0 हो जाएगा व्हेन m इज लेस देन n. n बड़ा है और m छोटा है तब. नाउ नेक्स्ट कंडीशन क्या हो सकती है? थर्ड, m तो है ग्रेटर देन 0, m इज इक्वल टू n भी हो सकता है. जब m इज इक्वल टू n होगा तो हमारा आएगा n फैक्टोरियल इंटू ए रेस टू n. वाई m इज इक्वल टू n, तो यहाँ पे तो 0 हो जाएगा, कुछ भी पावर 0 1. यहाँ पे m माइनस m सेम है तो 0 हो जाएंगे, 0 फैक्टोरियल 1, तो सिर्फ ये फैक्टर बचेगा. हाँ, और m इज इक्वल टू n लिख रहे हैं तो हम लोग m फैक्टोरियल को n फैक्टोरियल भी बोल सकते हैं. सो हमारा आएगा n फैक्टोरियल a टू द पावर n. अंडरस्टूड? ये 3 स्टेप क्योंकि यहाँ पे m और n के लिए कंडीशन होंगे. m और n कुछ भी हो सकता है, एनी नंबर. सो m ग्रेटर देन 0 तो कंपल्सरी है, लेकिन व्हाट अबाउट दिस 3? ये 3 कंडीशन हो सकते हैं एंड ये 3 nth ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव्स डिपेंड ऑन दिस conditions. Okay, this is in general condition. Okay, in general derivative. Now we'll start with a second example. Okay, now here is we'll see one easy example, that is y is equal to 1 upon x, and we have to find nth order derivative of this 1 upon x. Now this is easy one example because obviously first derivative of this is what? Minus 1 upon x square. Right? When we differentiating again this, we got here d square y upon dx square is what? Minus 1. I am writing common. What about this? X square means what? X minus 1 x to the power minus 2. राइट. सो एक्स टू द पावर माइनस 2 का डेरिवेटिव क्या रहेगा? माइनस 2 एक्स टू द पावर माइनस 2 माइनस 1 मीन्स व्हाट? माइनस माइनस प्लस, सो 2 एक्स टू द पावर माइनस 3 मीन्स 2 अपॉन एक्स क्यूब. डी स्क्वायर वाई अपॉन डी एक्स स्क्वायर इज 2 अपॉन एक्स क्यूब. नाउ नेक्स्ट थर्ड डेरिवेटिव. Third derivative is what? Again here 2 constant and derivative. This means what? 2 x to the power minus 3. So here minus 3 x to the power minus 3 minus 1. So minus 3 into 2 minus 6 and x to the power minus 4 means minus 6 upon x to the power 4. So first derivative is this. Second derivative is this. Third derivative is this. Now observe this 3, first derivative, second derivative and third derivative. By observing these 3, we have to write in general nth derivative. Only by observation you have to write nth order derivative of given function will be. हो सकता है, ठीक है, dn power xn. Okay, now see by observation here, when first order derivative is the here x square, when second order derivative is here x cube, when third order derivative is here x to the power 4. So this is clear, that is here in denominator x to the power n plus 1. Is this clear? Right? This one is easy for observing. Okay, this observation is easy one. ओके, x टू द पावर n प्लस 1. यहाँ पे जब 1 है तो यहाँ पे 2 आया है, 2 है तो 3 आया है, 3 है तो 4 आया है, तो x टू द पावर n प्लस 1. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट दिस? यहाँ पे माइनस था, यहाँ पे प्लस हो गया, अगेन यहाँ पे माइनस हो गया. सो ये माइनस प्लस किस -1 है. मैंने n क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि सी जब मेरा सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव है तो प्लस है मेरा, मतलब इवन नंबर है तो मेरा प्लस है. ओके, सी यहाँ पे 3 हो रहा है तो माइनस हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो ऑब्वियसली ऑड होगा तो. नाउ नेक्स्ट, here numbers are here 1, here 2, here 6. This means what? Here 1 factorial is 1. Here 2 factorial is what? 2 into 1, 2. Now here 3 factorial means what? 3 into 2 into 1. That is 6. Means what? We want here n factorial. n factorial होगा वही यहाँ पे आ रहा है आंसर. और माइनस प्लस के लिए हम लोगों ने क्या किया? -1 टू द पावर n लिखा. n क्यों लिखा हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे? क्योंकि जब से इवन नंबर है 2 है, इवन नंबर है तो मेरा प्लस आ रहा है, ऑड नंबर है तो मेरा माइनस आ रहा है. Okay, now we'll see next question. Next question third is y is equal to e to the power ax plus b. We have to find out nth derivative of this function. Okay, so obviously first derivative is what? E to the power x type of function. So e raised to x का derivative e raised to x. So e raised to ax plus b. But at the place of x there is ax plus b. Then again derivative of what? Ax plus b. Now derivative of x plus b is a is constant, derivative of x is 1. So a plus b is constant, so 0. So only a. So a e to the power ax plus b. Now what about second derivative? D square y upon dx square is equal to, a is constant here and derivative of e to the power ax plus b. So e raised to x का derivative e raised to x. This is also composite function. So again derivative of x plus b. Okay. Now a e to the power x plus b. Again derivative of this is what? Only a. So a into a is, I am writing a square. Now what about third derivative? D cube y upon dx cube is what? A square is constant and derivative of e to the power ax plus b is e to the power x plus b, and again derivative of x plus b because this is composite function. So again derivative of this x plus b is a. So I am writing here directly a square is there here, so a cube e to the power x plus b. Okay, so a cube e to the power x plus b. So this is first derivative, this is second derivative, and this is third derivative. Okay, so obviously in general our nth order derivative by observing this 3 is what? So nth order derivative will be dn y upon dxn. This is nth order derivative. Okay, what about observation? Obviously when third derivative a cube is there, when second derivative a square is there, when first derivative only a to the power 1 is there. So a to the power n. What about this? हर एक में ये this is same factor, same. So e to the power ax plus. Understood? Easy one example. Okay. Now we'll see next example, log function, logarithmic function. Third question number 4. Y is equal to given by log of x plus b. Okay. So dy upon dx is equal to, what about log of x plus b का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? 1 upon x, log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 upon x, but at the place of x here x plus b. Again derivative of x plus b, because at the place of x there is x plus b. So 1 upon x plus b, and derivative of x plus b is what? Only a. So I am writing directly a upon x plus b. Okay. Next, when we differentiate again this a upon x plus b, so obviously a is constant here, and derivative of 1 upon x plus b is what? 1 upon x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेयर, राइट? सो माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेयर means x b plus b the whole square. Again derivative of x plus b is, because this is at the place of x there is x plus b, and minus 1 upon x derivative is minus 1 upon x square. So again derivative of ax plus b, derivative of ax plus b is only a, so I am writing here directly minus a square divided by ax plus b the whole square, d cube y upon dx cube. Now third derivative. Now we have to find out third derivative. This is our second derivative. Minus a is constant, and 1 upon x plus b power 2 means what? Power minus 2. So minus 2 x plus b power minus 2 minus 1. Okay. Again derivative of x plus b. So here minus plus means 2a. Okay. 2a x plus b power minus 3, and derivative of this is a. So we got here 2a square x plus b, यहाँ पे माइनस है, डिनोमिनेटर में प्लस आएगा. ठीक है. This is third derivative. This is our first derivative. This is first derivative. This is second derivative, and this is our third derivative. Now in general, what about nth derivative? See, nth derivative. Now first derivative a, second derivative square, third derivative, sorry, a square is there, so a cube. Okay. Second derivative a square, and third derivative a cube. Okay. Means obviously a to the power n is fixed. Okay. What about plus minus sign? Here my plus sign, here minus, here plus. Okay. When there is even number, minus sign is there. So minus 1, we have minus 1 power n minus 1. Why n minus 1? When even, minus sign is there. When odd, plus sign is there. Okay. Next is, what about this number? Obviously यहाँ पे 1 था, right? Means 2 minus 1. 1. Here 2 है, means 3 minus 1. So means n minus 1 factorial. ऐसे हम लोग फोर्थ डेरिवेटिव निकालते, 6 आता, 6, that is 3 factorial. ठीक है. Means n minus 1 factorial आ रहा है कंटिन्यूएशन में. Understood all these things. Plus minus sign के बारे में ये लिखा, a to the power n, and this for this number I am writing this n minus 1 factor, and denominator is easy one, x plus b to the power n. So this is our nth derivative of log of x plus b. Okay. Now we'll see one example of sine cos type of function. Okay. Now we'll see next question. फिफ्थ y इज इक्वल टू cos x है. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव इज व्हाट? cos x का माइनस साइन x. cos x का डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन x. अगेन ऑब्वियसली डी स्क्वायर वाई अपॉन डी एक्स स्क्वायर इज व्हाट? माइनस साइन एज इट इज. साइन x का डेरिवेटिव अगेन cos x. Okay. What about third derivative? Okay, minus sign, and derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x. So You got only sin x. Now observing this 3, see. First derivative is minus sin x cos x का. Second derivative minus cos x. Third derivative only sin x. Means in general, nth derivative is cos. Obviously, relation between cos and sin is what? Differentiating between only n pi by 2 plus x. So cos sin plus minus changes हो रहा है. So that is means cos n pi by 2 plus x. This x. Okay. And n pi by 2. Okay. तो एक बार cos होगा, एक बार sin हो जाएगा. ठीक है. प्लस साइन फिर माइनस साइन अगेन. ओके. ये कंटिन्यूस nth ऑर्डर तक चलता रहेगा. ठीक है.